problem going on underneath once you open it up, right? And then we're going to close this up. I figured out, as I did the measurement, this cannot be a walk-in closet. And this is all going to be flush, right? By the way, you're taking out this closet too. So we're going to take this closet's coming out now. So because this is going to be all the way back to here now, if you bring this wall,
You want on
as far as you can. I know it's weird, it's not typical, but it might be nice. Yeah.